Many experiments require precise time control, and a timer function can automate this process. Timer functionality, programmable timer, feature. Most modern micro-high-speed centrifuges come equipped with a programmable timer. Importance. Automates the centrifugation process, ensuring accurate and consistent run times. Digital display, feature. A digital display shows the countdown and allows for easy adjustment. Importance. Facilitates monitoring and modification of the runtime as needed. Auto shutoff feature. The centrifuge automatically stops once the program time elapses. Importance. Prevents over-centrifugation and ensures sample integrity. Memory presets feature. Some models offer memory presets for frequently used protocols. Importance. Saves time by eliminating the need to reprogram settings for repetitive tasks. Flexibility feature. The ability to set custom run times from seconds to hours. Importance. Accommodates a wide range of experimental requirements. The timer function on a micro-high-speed centrifuge is essential for precise time control and optimizing experimental workflows. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their timer functions, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.